Another option that you may want to consider for backing up and saving your iPhone photos is Amazon Photos. Now, Amazon Photos is a feature of Amazon Prime. So if you have an Amazon Prime account, which many of us do because we order stuff from Amazon all the time, but if you have an Amazon Prime account, you have unlimited storage of your photos. Built in, unlimited storage of your photos. Now, as far as your iPhone videos, you only get 5 gigabytes of space in that free access to Prime Photos or Amazon Photos. However, you can upgrade your Prime Video to as much as 2 terabytes for $144 a year, or basically $12 a month. Now, 2 terabytes is a lot of video storage, not necessarily a lot of people may not have that much video to be able to store, but you do have the ability to upgrade to that much. Again, photos are unlimited storage. So in Amazon Photos, you can see I've added 295 in here as I was testing. They're in here sorted. I got them sorted by date. This is the date that I took the pictures. These, 7/18 to 1/12, 20th to 11th, et cetera, et cetera. They're all sorted by date. And the way you set up Amazon Photos to back up your iPhone is you click on where it says TB. I click on the sprocket, and I have upload set. Now I can do upload manually, and that just means I have to go in here and select the photos that I want to upload, or the images or videos, and simply hit upload, and it'll upload those. But if I want to upload them automatically, you got to go to upload settings, and you say save photos and use cellular data, yes or no. Save videos, use cellular data, no or yes. That's how you turn that on. Now, if I turn on Save Photos, show you a little trick that's pretty cool, because using Amazon Photos will also make your iPhone run warm. Now, another feature of uploading Amazon Photos is overnight upload. I can start overnight upload. Now, this is interesting. You have to do that before you go to bed. You can't do it now. If I click on that now and say continue, then it's going to sit here in the overnight upload mode, and I can't do anything else in Amazon. Can I do anything else in my phone? Can I do anything? Let's see, can I do this? But if I come back to Amazon Prime, yeah, it's sitting here in overnight upload mode. So I can't use Amazon Photos while it's sitting in overnight mode. So I have to exit that to be able to use it. And so, but it might be a decent feature to do. Again, if I go back into TB, hit the sprocket, and where it says upload settings, if I want to turn it off, I simply turn it off there. So Amazon Photos is a decent tool to use. It has the ability for you to manage photos like a lot of other photos. I mean, not only can you manage them, but I also have the ability to print them and send them to Shutterfly, or go to Amazon Printing for printing them if I want to. And I have the ability to share them. I can hit the share icon. I can airdrop it, send it as a message or email, copy the link to it, put it in a shared album, et cetera, et cetera. So I have the ability to share. I also have the ability to search. If I come back to the top here, where's my search button here? And if I say I want to search for a truck, spell it correctly, hit search. You can see it shows me 3 trucks and a fork. Interesting enough, it didn't show me all the truck pictures because I got other truck pictures in here. Like right there's some truck pictures, and up top is a truck video, and then there's a truck picture. One of the negatives to using Amazon Photos is that every now and then I tell it to upload some photos and it errors out. You can see here's a photo which is just a picture of a piece of a form I filled out. There's nothing private about that form, and it didn't upload it. If I say retry all, it'll try again. Looks like it's doing it, but it doesn't. I hit the 3 dots, say retry again. It doesn't do it. Just not certain why some photos won't upload. It's hit or miss. I'm not sure what it is. That might be one of my negative perspectives or thoughts about using Amazon Photos. But it is a legitimate tool. You have unlimited photos. You have to pay for more than 5 gigs of videos. It could be an option for some people, especially if you don't have a whole lot of videos.